Want to learn how to make a really quick 3-ingredient vodka cocktail? Keep watching. It's the Harvey Wallbanger. Hi everybody. Today I'm going to make a cocktail called the Harvey Wallbanger. This is going to be a really short and sharp video because it's just a built cocktail. It was created, I think, in the late 1980s. The story goes that it was a fella that used to come into a bar. He liked a screwdriver cocktail, which is not really a cocktail. A screwdriver is just vodka and orange juice. However, this guy wanted a float of Galliano vanilla on top of his screwdriver, and apparently drank so many of them that he was bumping into the walls. His name was Harvey, and the bartender called it the Harvey Wallbanger. Really super simple. It is just 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of vodka, fresh orange juice. Now, as far as the orange juice, I'm using about 120 mils, but it depends on the size of your glass. So I might give that just a little touch more there. Last but not least, it was just a float of Galliano vanilla. I don't have the Galliano vanilla here at the moment. However, Licor 43, it's a delicious Spanish vanilla liqueur. And we're just going to float about 1/2 ounce, 45 mils on top of that. For the garnish, we want just a wedge of orange. Chuck a straw in that. Harvey Wallbanger. Super tasty. The key to this cocktail though is you need to use fresh orange juice. At worst, if you're too lazy and don't want to do that, buy a premium style of orange juice. It's got that beautiful vodka kick. That vanilla really sort of ties into the orange juice and the vodka as well. Guys, super simple, easy to make. Please like, subscribe. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.